Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the compression shirt that actually fits you. This is critical. Put it on so it sits snug on the chest and core without pinching. If it cuts in, size up. Make sure the fabric is moisture-wicking and has four-way stretch so it moves with your shoulders. Once done, lift your arms, bend, and simulate game movement to confirm full range of motion. If seams or tags irritate you, flip or trim them before proceeding to the jersey step. Now you layer the compression shirt under the jersey carefully. First, smooth the fabric flat across the torso and tuck the hem into your shorts to create a stable base that won't crawl up mid-game. Next, slide your jersey on and align the compression shirt sleeves with the jersey shoulder seams so there's no visible bunching or awkward folds. If the shirt shifts when you move, apply small strips of sports-safe double-sided tape or use silicone grip strips inside the jersey to keep everything locked in place. Finish by doing a quick movement test while fully suited, jump, sprint, and mimic game actions to make sure nothing restricts you. If the neckline rides up or sleeves pull, make small adjustments, retuck, smooth seams, or trim irritating tags. If you still get bunching at the shoulders or underarms, switch to a different compression cut. Long sleeve versus short sleeve can change how the jersey fits. One troubleshooting tip: if shifting persists, add a thin base layer between the compression and jersey to reduce friction and stabilize fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.